everyone, I am Raghav Kumaran. I am 6 years old and I study in Tadika Jack and Jill. Today I am going to tell you a story about an old farmer and his sons. Once upon a time, there was a farmer. He had three sons. They always quarreled. One day, the farmer brought a bundle of sticks. He ordered his sons to break it, but they failed. Then he untied the bundle. Then he ordered his sons to break it. Then they broke it easily. He told, union is strength. The moral of the story is, union is strength. Thank you, everyone.